Let's draw a turtle. Keep practicing, you're doing great.
Excellent!
You have a great eye for details. Let's go in.
Wow!
You're improving every day.
Yeah!
All done.
Bye-bye!